So talking about my experience, the title which Shashank gave, Shashank told me, Sandesh, we are keeping this title, and I was so happy. Smile with Corona, the inside story. We have been talking about fight with Corona. I mean, suddenly I realized when I was in hospital for 10 days, what do you mean by fight with Corona? So when you're fighting, your energy is like, okay, I want to fight, I want to win. So you're always anxious whether I will win or I will lose. And that anxious fear, which is something which is affecting you. So when I was in hospital for 10 days looking at the ceiling, and I said, well, I was smiling. I said, Jo hai, wo hai. And when I got admitted, I said, I liked Rahul Pandit. I never met him. I heard a lot of things from him, from Shashank and Ashish Bumkar. Ashish is another good colleague, very, very close, like a brother, like Shashank. And then I heard him on webinar, on your webinar only. I said, before that 9 days I was at home, I'll tell that story later on. But I said, if at all I have to get admitted, I would get admitted until this person. It just clicked. So I went to Fortis and I was there for 10 days, and the way they treated me, and I was sitting there. In fact, the smile which I was telling when the guys used to come to take blood every day, and I used to like, Lelo yaar. So 7 day, I made a joke, 7 day they came to take a blood, and it was 6:30 in the morning, and this guy said, doctor, which hand, left or hand, right hand? I said, "Arey yaar, dono haath mein ek hi blood hai yaar." He started laughing. So I said, let's joke it out here. So that was the thing I realized. If I smile, if I laugh, these frontline workers which I saw, I said they were very happy, and to make them happy. That's the way. But let me tell you the journey, like 70 days, when 22 March onwards it started, I was taking lots and lots of precautions. Working with all PP, I'll talk about dentistry later on. But it was just accident, and it happened to me from a person I don't mind happening again and again, because that person is none other than my grandchild. And I realized when I heard your webinar that children are the carriers. He was just having simple cold. And then subsequently I realized that he came in contact with somebody who was having that's a private thing, was having a fever and symptoms. And this guy was very fine after 2 days. And my story started on Saturday night. And I got some irritation in my throat. That is on 30th of March. And I called Ashish Bumkar. Ashish, there is something irritation in my throat. I'm not comfortable. Ashish knew, but he gave me support. Just wait for a night. We'll see tomorrow how it is. But he later on told me, he told his wife, his voice shows it is different. At 2:45 in the morning, I got fever. I told Swati, I am heading for this. And Sunday, I got it and I called Shashank, and I said, Shashank, the symptoms what I have is cough and fever. My oxygen is above 95, 96, because I got oximeter, which I had got 2 years back from my mother. So I checked that and I called Shashank, and Shashank said, start immediately. Yes. Shashank said, start immediately these medicines and isolate yourself. Harish, I isolated myself. I got a luckily bigger house, so I isolated myself on the terrace room. And Shashank was following day in and day out with Ashish Bumkar, my medicines going on and on. Fever coming, cough, fever, cough, fever, cough. Friday, I lost my patience. I said, Shashank, let me test again. And first test showed everything very low. Chest was very clean and oxygen was very good. But friends, I didn't take it for granted. I was listening to my doctor, Shashank, Anj, Ashish Bumkar all the time. I didn't say I don't have any symptoms. I went down. My mother is there with me, 90 years old, which is the most important precaution we have to take. So I stayed there. Friday with the checkup, my parameters were a little higher. And Sunday, I lost my patience because I was coughing 5 to 7 minutes at a time. Then I told Shashank, let me do the test on Monday. We did COVID test. It was positive. We took X-ray. We saw something. My parameters had gone up. I said, I want to get admitted. There was somebody telling me, get it at home. I said, no, I want to get admitted because 9 days at home alone, washing my own dishes, coming everything upstairs was killing me. So I said, I want to get admitted. And then he asked me, where you want to get admitted? I said, only one and one, Rahul Pandit. in 40s. So I got admitted on Monday. Tuesday, my fever went over. They started medicine, and I told Rahul, and I told Shashank, I'm not going to ask you what you are giving me, why you are giving me. I am a patient. I give everything to you. And I said in my mind, even if they give me poison, I'll take it as a medicine. The reason being, I have been a doctor. If the patient gives you everything, that, okay, you are the boss. And not asking questions from Google, why are you giving this, why not this, why not this, why not this. And we have seen patients go on Google and they are the patients unnecessary going on Google, which is a generalized thing and not a specialized thing. So Rahul, I was with Rahul. Rahul was checking me. He spoke to me on phone. Once he came and saw me, and his associates, Anita and Kirti, were very nice. They should come every day. Only on Saturday, one thing happened that I went for a warm water bath, and I used to go every day warm water bath, and I used to feel something different. And I used to hold the handle there. Saturday, my oxygen went down to 90, and luckily they came in. They said, Sanjay is something different. Doctor is different. So they took my blood, and my parameter IL-6 had gone to 70. So he said, let's get admitted to ICU. I said, let's take an experience. Their first experience in my life in hospital. I said, take me to ICU. I went to ICU. My parameters of good oxygen were 98. And later on, I came to know that Rahul was consulting with Shashank, and Shashank was talking to him all the time about my medicine. So I came to know that they gave me anticoagulant, and then they wanted Remdesivir to be given, which is not easily available. Luckily for me, Uddhavji I know him for the last 25 years. One call with Shashank and them, he sorted personally that I got the medicine. They gave me the medicine. Monday, I was 70-80% all right. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, I was out taking the medicine. So the one thing which I noticed here and which I want to convey to people is, please understand your own body. Talk to your body. Don't take it for granted. अरे यार चलता है, मैं जाता हूँ, मेरा फीवर हो गया तो क्या हो गया? I don't have any symptoms. I don't have this. But no. And I was lucky that we have such, I've got good doctor friends like Shashank and Ashish and others to talk to and just get to know, and last 3 months understanding what COVID is. Second, what I realized is that last 1.5 months, I don't see television. I don't see how many are alive, dead, etc. I don't want to know anything because I can't do anything except when I talk to them for government of Maharashtra, we can do anything. Third thing is very important is that fear factor. That fear factor ki isko kabhi hoga, usko kabhi, forget it. Follow one rule of airline. What the airline says, when the oxygen comes in, put the mask for yourself first. So nowadays, I advise everybody, forget your wife. When I was in hospital, I realized that I am alone. Nobody's come to help me out. So just forget your wife, you protect yourself. Tell your wife, forget me, you protect yourself. And if every human being protects themselves, I don't think we require policing outside. I mean, that's the thing. You just take care of yourself. And if everybody takes care of themselves, you don't require policing. And I'll come down to other things later on when you come down to question answer. But this is a story I realized. I said, remove fear. I told myself, Are yaar, jo hona hai to hona hai. Doctors are looking after it. And one thing which is very important, which Shashank is always telling me all the time, rest. Rest and rest. Because you require oxygen. And naturally, when you sleep on your stomach on prone position, you get good oxygen. So everybody should try to do that up and down, and check the oxygen at home. So this is my story. You can ask me questions later on. But my story is very simple. I kept smiling. The reason is I can't do anything. I'm helpless. In helpless fear, leke main karu kya hai? Why should I fight with my own body? And why should I fight with whom? They are taking care of me. And just that like. So I started smiling once they gave me saline before dinner. So I started, okay. So this is a drink before dinner. You take a wine before dinner. So once they gave me insulin in my stomach because of steroids, So I said, okay, you're giving me appetizer before I eat something. I mean, that's what I went on joking. And one thing which was 24/7, which was with me and which was helping was Lata Mangeshkar's caravan, which she had specially for 90 years, which she had gifted our family. 24/7 I was listening, and that was such a blessing, that music all the time. Once it was off, one nurse came and said, "Doctor, music chalu nahi hai aaj aapka." So that combination of feeling nice, giving yourself to doctor, listening to music, I think everybody can come out of COVID. Don't have fear of that. That's my experience.